Dalaran Portal is one of the most important portals inside the game because from Dalaran you can teleport anywhere on the map in the most important cities, and also from here you can buy all the gear. And in Wrath of the Lich King, Dalaran is the most important city for a lot of many reasons. And as a mage, the Dalaran Portal is a must-have. So that being said, let me show you how you can learn it. So that being said, for this you will have to make your way to Dalaran city. In my opinion, the easiest way to get to Dalaran is to ask a mage for a portal. If you don't have it, because you are in this tutorial right now, go in Stormwind City or in Ogrimmar if you are a Horde and ask a mage for a Dalaran portal and he will spell you one. So once you will get to Dalaran, alright, so I'm located right here in Dalaran, you will have to get right here. In our back is the Krasus Landing, and also you have to get close to this purple circle. So that purple circle is behind me. Alright, that is the Krasus Landing. We have to get inside this building right here, okay? Inside here you will find an NPC. Let's speak with her. Please teach me. You learn, she will teach you the teleport to Dalaran at level 71 for 2 gold, and also the portal to Dalaran at level 74 as a mage for the cost of 2 gold as well. And this is the NPC. Her name is Celindra. Alright, so she's the NPC who will teach the Dalaran portal. So that's where to find the Dalaran Portal Trainer as a mage, as an alliance, or as a horde. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks for watching.